Hi, what does thorough vacuum cleaning mean to you? We're in my bedroom, and here I removed a blanket box out of the way in order to clean it properly. You can see I've got my other new vacuum cleaner there, the little Henry, which is rather cute and a really reliable solid vacuum cleaner. Now you see, when I'm vacuuming, I'm first getting over that general area to give everything a good going over first, just to get all that main dust out of the way, because I don't want to be walking over it and spreading it around. I picked up larger things off the floor that could potentially clog the vacuum cleaner, and I also used the attachments in order to really get into the spots that need the attachments to be used for. See, I can remove dust from the walls with that, and in the corners and cobwebs, and really get into the small bits. Actually, underneath that carpet, I found a small piece of glass, and I've got no idea how it got there, but I'm really glad I got that with the gentle brush there, so it didn't continue to potentially scratch the floor. I then changed back to the normal head. I've just got like a multi-purpose head tool on that Henry vacuum cleaner, and I'm going back over everything again, because it's not just do it once. It's like with vacuuming, I like to give things a really thorough vacuum clean. If I'm going to go to the effort to clean under the mat and clean in corners that I don't ordinarily get to, I want to make sure I really do it properly, in particular under the bed, because you spend a lot of time in your bedroom. You don't want to have a really dusty bedroom, and because we've got that large door, we leave it open a lot out onto our deck, and the dust does come in, because we do live in a city, Brisbane, so dust happens. You see, I also got the little mat that I have outside that door, and I also did all the trackings and things like that. So I just want to show you on this side as well. Really get under the mats. This isn't something that I do every time I vacuum the floors. Like I said, I'm being extra thorough today, but I can tell you that, having had a cleaning agency for a long time, one of the things that I do find is that many cleaners spend way too much time in bathrooms and then rush the vacuuming and mopping stage. You really need to go over things again and again to really get under things properly. And many clients over the years have complained that people haven't gone underneath their furniture properly and things like that. You've got to judge your time and estimate it fairly between the jobs. Thank you for watching.